McKeesport in western Pennsylvania is the 21st most dangerous city in America, according to the National Council for Home Safety and Security. The rankings are based on the number of violent crimes per 100,000 residents. The report says, quote, although mass shootings are becoming increasingly common in American life, the violent crime and prevalence of gun murders plaguing America's most dangerous cities aren't best explained by lax gun laws, rates of gun ownership, or one-off rampages, although these do have an effect, but rather by income inequality. East St. Louis, Illinois ranked the most dangerous city in the country. Matt Yurus for KDKA News.